How to save a marriage after cheating, steps to rebuild trust and heal your relationship. Infidelity is one of the most painful experiences a couple can go through. The shock, betrayal, and heartbreak can leave both partners feeling lost and hopeless. But despite the pain, many couples do find a way to rebuild their marriage after cheating. If you're willing to put in the effort, commit to honesty, and rebuild trust, your relationship can not only survive but become stronger than ever. This guide will take you through the critical steps needed to heal and restore your marriage. If you are serious about saving your relationship, read this till the end. You may find the answers you need. 1. Acknowledge the betrayal. The first step to saving a marriage after cheating is accepting what has happened. The unfaithful partner must take full responsibility for their actions without making excuses or blaming external circumstances. Denial or defensiveness will only push the betrayed partner further away. For the betrayed partner, acknowledging the pain is just as important. Suppressing emotions or pretending everything is fine will not help in the long run. It's okay to feel hurt, angry, and confused. Healing starts with facing the reality of what happened. 2. Open communication. A marriage cannot survive without honest communication, especially after infidelity. Both partners must be willing to talk openly about what led to the cheating, how they feel, and what they need from each other moving forward. The betrayed partner should feel safe to ask questions, no matter how difficult they may be. The unfaithful partner should answer with honesty and transparency, even if it's uncomfortable. Avoiding tough conversations will only lead to resentment and distrust. Listening is just as important as speaking. Both partners need to listen with empathy and without judgment. This is not just about talking, it's about truly understanding each other. 3. Seek forgiveness. Forgiveness is not something that happens overnight. It is a process that requires effort, time, and sincerity. The unfaithful partner must show genuine remorse, not just through words but through consistent actions. For the betrayed partner, forgiving does not mean forgetting. It means choosing to move forward without allowing resentment to control their emotions. This can be one of the hardest steps, but without forgiveness, true healing cannot begin. Forgiveness is a choice made daily. It is built over time through trust, honesty, and love. 4. Understand the root cause. Cheating does not happen in isolation. Understanding the reasons behind infidelity is crucial to preventing it from happening again. Was there emotional distance in the marriage? Were there unmet needs on either side? Did unresolved conflicts create resentment? Was the unfaithful partner struggling with personal issues? This is not about justifying cheating. It is about identifying the weaknesses in the relationship and fixing them. Couples must have an honest discussion about what went wrong and commit to making necessary changes. 5. Set boundaries. After trust has been broken, setting new boundaries is essential. These boundaries help prevent future mistakes and give both partners a sense of security. The unfaithful partner should cut all contact with the person they cheated with. Both partners should agree on what is acceptable behavior in the relationship. Transparency with phones, social media, and daily activities may be necessary to rebuild trust. Boundaries are not about control. They are about reassurance and respect. Both partners must agree to these boundaries to move forward successfully. 6. Give it time. Healing does not happen overnight. There will be ups and downs, good days and bad days. Some days, it may feel like progress is being made, while other days, old wounds may reopen. The betrayed partner may experience emotional triggers that bring back pain. The unfaithful partner may feel frustrated at the slow process of rebuilding trust. Patience is key. Rushing the healing process will only lead to disappointment. Both partners must be willing to take things one step at a time, allowing emotions to be processed naturally. 7. Seek professional help. Sometimes, saving a marriage after cheating requires outside help. Marriage counselors and therapists specialize in guiding couples through difficult times. A therapist can help facilitate difficult conversations, identify deeper issues within the marriage, provide tools to rebuild trust and intimacy, help both partners heal individually and together. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that both partners are committed to making the marriage work. 8. Rebuild trust with actions. Trust is not rebuilt with words alone. It is rebuilt through consistent, honest actions. The unfaithful partner must show, through their behavior, that they are committed to the marriage, keeping promises, no matter how small, being open and transparent, showing emotional and physical presence in the relationship, making the betrayed partner feel valued and secure. Trust is built over time. It requires patience, dedication, and genuine effort. 9. Reignite the emotional and physical connection. A marriage is not just about staying together. It is about truly connecting. Emotional and physical intimacy must be restored for the relationship to thrive. Emotional reconnection. Spend quality time together without distractions. Engage in meaningful conversations. Show appreciation and affection regularly. Physical reconnection. Take things slowly. Allow intimacy to develop naturally. Express love through small physical gestures like hugs, kisses, and holding hands. Be patient and understanding of each other's emotional needs. Rebuilding intimacy may take time, but it is a crucial part of healing a marriage after infidelity. 10. Decide the future together. After all the efforts, both partners must make a final decision. Can the marriage truly be saved? This decision must be mutual. If both partners are willing to commit fully, the marriage can be rebuilt stronger than before. But if one partner is unwilling to put in the effort, it may be time to reconsider the relationship's future. No one else can decide this for you. Only you and your partner know what is best for your marriage. Final thoughts. Saving a marriage after cheating is not easy, but it is possible. It requires deep honesty, patience, and a commitment to rebuilding what was broken. If you are willing to fight for your marriage, take these steps seriously. Healing will not happen overnight, but with time and effort, trust and love can be restored. The choice is yours. Will you fight for your marriage or let it go? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.